How to build your website and blog inside Zenler. So Zenler has one thing that is really super cool. It's the page builder. Right, so every page of your site you can customize and change in an unlimited amount of ways. You are really only held back by your own imagination and understanding how the page builder works. I always say to people coming into a platform like Zenler is like spend 2-3 hours playing around on a test page, not a public page, a test page. Get familiar with how things work, how you can put images in, how you can put backgrounds in, how you can put different text or elements into the page. Playing around for 3 or 4 hours will mean that you'll be lightning quick at producing the other pages. So you can set up pages, delete pages out of your site, and there's a ton of features using the page builder. Zenler also has a blog. So the blog allows you to create blog posts. And the blog's super easy to use because, again, it uses the page builder. The blog is content. It's a WYSIWYG editor. So you put it in there, you can format it in the basic sense. But you also have 2 main pages, the main blog page and the blog post page. These are 2 templates that can be designed for you. And when you make a change to these, it ripples through every single one of your blogs. Okay. So page builder and the blog, but the core of it is the page builder, and the page builder can be found under pages. The page builder is used in automations, inside of lives, inside of pretty much every area of the platform. Why have we done this? Why have we kept this uniform and the same going through each area? One simple answer: so it's quicker for you to get up to speed. It's very intuitive. It's true drag and drop editor. I've only seen Zenler doing a true drag and drop editor. There's lots of companies, not naming any, lots of companies saying drag and drop editor, but it's not really drag and drop, because you can drag from the left and then you're stuck. But with Zenler, you can drag around. You can drag up, drag down, change orders, and you can drag those elements inside the page. It's technically quite difficult to do. Zenler has handled this and people love Zenler's page builder, and we are about to update our page builder with something even more spectacular. So that's it. That's the ecosystem. It means that you can build really, really quickly. And you guys that are on the 30-day accelerator are going to get a little glimpse of that. We're going to start building things. Then you can take the quick start guide or the complete guide to Zenler and understand more about it. It's fully responsive, so you need to understand that responsive behavior. But once you've got it down, it's really simple. I've challenged many people, give me a site and I will recreate it inside Zenler. And no one has caught me out yet with a site like that. I'm not talking about scripting, special things that are going on. I'm talking about design, right? So page builder, super easy to work with. And it basically replaces sites like WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, Elementor, or things like Webflow, right? And one last thing that we also cover is like a global includes area. So there's a branding area that allows you to change the brand, upload your logo, put your fav icon, change your default colors, upload a custom font or choose from our Google fonts. And you also have a global include. So for more power users, there's a global include where you can put things like CSS code to override things, but you don't need to use that. That's only if you're a sort of pro level user, right? It's so simple to use. People love the page builder. Check it out by taking a 30-day trial on Zenler today, and follow me in the Accelerator program where I'll show you how to get started. And in the Accelerate program, right, we get a lead magnet set up and that added to the homepage and a community in less than 20 minutes. So that's lesson 1 of the 30-day Accelerator program. That shows you the speed that you can work inside the platform. And then you have the next 30 days. Each week there'll be a new lesson come out to you, and you can take that lesson and you can just complete your whole site with loads of time, right? 2-3 hours a week you got to spend on this, and you can have your site, you can have a mini course, you can have a blog, a community, a lead magnet, your homepage ready to go, and site pages, all in 30 days. Is crazy quick, right? And we even back it up with an Accelerator Plus. So once you're locked in and you're with us, you take the Accelerator Plus, which will extend things even further. We talk about email domain authentication. We talk about custom domains, right? Guys, you don't need to worry about it at the moment. Just do the 30 days and we'll take you into this stuff slowly. And after the 30 days, you'll go, wow, I didn't think I could do this. I'm not a web designer. How did I do this? And we know that you'll be super excited. We've got some amazing, just check out our Trustpilot reviews, right? We've got some amazing reviews about our onboarding sequence using the 30-day accelerator program. So join us today.